Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Brandon's Kitchen. Yay. Today we will be pickling peppers. Now this is a oh, what was that? Here we are over at the cooking station, and we have just finished sauteing our last batch of peppers. Yum, yum. Alright, now the next order of business is to place these peppers inside the mason jar, but they're a little bit too hot to handle for right now. So we'll just lay this aside for later. Now, if you'll see, right here, this is our pickling juice. Ooh, it's so scrumptious. Wow. It's got rice vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and I added a little bit of a Brandon kick to it. That's mustard seeds, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Each at about a half a tablespoon to 2 teaspoons each. And whatever those come out, they are going to be scrumptious. Now for the next batch, since we weren't exactly sure whether or not we wanted to go with a full pepper or a cut pepper, the next batch will be all cut. And as you can see, I like to cut my peppers into a medallion. Some people will tell you that cutting lengthwise is better because as the pepper ferments and grows, the taste changes laterally, not the other way. So, for example, there's more flavor here at the tip of the pepper as opposed to the back. So, if you cut them lengthwise like this, you're doing yourself a disservice. However, it doesn't really matter. I prefer the medallion shape simply because it's the perfect ratio.